This is a Jones & Shipman Model 540 hand feed surface grinder. It is a 6-inch by 18-inch capacity with a walker, electromagnetic fine pole, long pole chuck, grinding wheel hub. It also has an Acu-Rite Quikcount 2-axis digital readout that feeds in the tenths or resolution. It has a walker control for the chuck. It's very control. You can set it on variable and do this, or you can set it on full. Alright. This machine also has power elevation. So you have a power wheelhead elevation. The other axes are hand feed. Let's start the spindle. Nice and quiet, and the feeds are nice and smooth. You can see the crossfeed move. It's got a little micro crossfeed deal here, and then you've got your downfeed control by hand, and then just your wrap it up and down. It does come with a coolant pump and tank, which is sitting right here. And get the machine from the side.